right, everyone, it is 11/13/24. We have some major changes with potential Hurricane SARA. Now, in my video from late last night, I told you that something might take place that may change the entire course of this storm, and between that video and now, that's exactly what took place. What you just saw are the current models, but I want you to see what was being shown last night, and what I said here is exactly what took place. All right, now take a listen to this. Now, what we need to pay attention to is that sudden right hook that takes SARA into western Florida. Now, what we want is for that dip in the jet stream to happen a little sooner. This way, it would wipe out SARA before it made it to Florida and would likely slam into Cuba once again, which would be its third or fourth hurricane landfall this year, as well as multiple blackouts and multiple large earthquakes, all in a very small period of time. This is nothing to mess with. If these dates are correct, we are 1 week away from landfall, somewhere between Cape Coral and possibly Tampa. That may change a lot. Like I said, we're hoping for this dip to come a lot sooner, and we may not have to worry about this storm at all hitting the US. All right, and you heard it right there. We definitely knew that this was a strong possibility. We saw that dip coming from the jet stream, and I also knew that that would be the determining factor whether or not this storm would be in effect to Florida. That's why I was very clear in yesterday's video that even with just a week in between the potential landfall, that is plenty of time for this to change multiple times. We may see an entire different forecast tomorrow because this time of year, it is nearly impossible for these storms to be forming like this. So something strange is going on. I can't quite put my finger on it yet. I have my theories, of course, because this is just not normal to see all these storms and possibly another after this forming in the Caribbean. Now, once again, as I said in the other video, this thing is still going to be a near Category 5 storm according to the data now in the Caribbean. And I explained that the momentum would be another determining factor if it did not make contact with Cancun or the western edge of Cuba. It is now showing that it is definitely going to be doing that. So as you can see, that is definitely affecting this storm before it would get to Florida. And now it's looking like it may pass just south of Florida, but I can't stress this enough. Within a single day, even less, we could have an entire different forecast. This is a lot different than forecasting our hurricanes in the middle of peak hurricane season. There is a lot more going on as far as atmospheric conditions and things being just basically haywire, and that is why it is so hard to forecast these things when it comes to using the common scientific ways to do this, which we all know are very wrong most of the time. So that's what I got for you, my friends. I just wanted to show you that this did exactly what we thought it would do, which as of right now is a positive thing with just about 7 days left before a potential landfall. All right, my friends, I appreciate you all. Please share this video. Let everyone know what is going on with this storm. There's not much talk about it in the media, but there is no surprise there. All right, everyone, appreciate you all. Take care. Bye-bye. Stop right there, my friends. If you have not already, click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Click all and you will get all notifications from this channel. And trust me, you won't be disappointed.